magbabasaan tayo, which is pangarap namin. Sana ready rin yung audience na magbasa. Kilala namin kayo. Gusto nyo yan.
Bawang kayo ng extra damit. Practical reminders to.
There is pressure, but it's the good kind of pressure. The one that builds diamonds.
Baka magpakalbo po ako. De joke lang.
Cup of Joe forever. May tattoo na po ako ng COJ.
So, basically, yung sandali is, basically, ano siya, yung vibe niya, pinaka-vibe niya is Music Fest, kaya tawag dun sandali, The Cup of Joe Fest, gano'n. So, compared sa mga previous na concerts namin is na yung dati kasi parang may specific na structure, gano'n, may sinusunod kaming theme na as in, may story, gano'n. Ngayon naman is, focus siya sa more on sa celebratory na theme, ganun. Kaya para siyang music festival, ganun na yun, fun lang, ganun.
And conceptually, ano siya, water festival siya. So, magbabasaan tayo, which is pangarap namin. And ayun, sana ready rin yung audience na magbasa. Kilala namin kayo. Gusto nyo yan. And baka magpakalbo po ako. De joke lang.
Una-una po syempre, it's a different environment na syempre outdoor na. Tapos tayo yung first na OPM to perform there. So wow. Syempre, we feel a bit of pressure din naman kasi this concert is not just for us, it's for everyone who supported us through the years. So we want to show them na we really appreciate all their love and support. Kaya we want to make this one of the best festivals out there. So yeah, yung planning and everything medyo mahirap pero it's all part of the process eh. Kaya na-enjoy namin kasi it's all for yung passion namin. Kaya we don't see it as something na mahirap na gusto na lang namin tapusin. We see it as something na mahirap na we want to conquer it and we want to experience it together. Kaya, yun, kahit na mahirap, na-enjoy pa rin naman namin. So, there is pressure, but it's the good kind of pressure. The one that builds diamonds.
It's our fourth major concert. So, by now, I think some would assume na hindi kami kinakabahan. Pero since, aside from it's a very big venue, tas outdoor pa, it's very much different sa nakaraang concerts namin. Kasi bukod sa magpa-perform kami sa band, it's our first time to be having solo performances this concert. So meron kaming tigi-isang performance na exclusive lang siya sa Sandali COJ Fest. Kaya excited kaming gawin yun for once and for all. Kasi yung pressure, it builds diamonds eh. Wow!
Yung stamina kasi ang laki ng stage. Ang laki ng stage namin dun sa concert. Kaya parang ibang-iba siya sa mga previous na concerts namin na ngayon kailangan naming layo ng pupuntahan, ganun. Kaya nakaka-excite.
I guess besides the physical aspect of it, probably the mental side din. Since it's probably our largest venue ever. Siyempre kahit na tatlo na kaming major concert, nandun pa rin yung kaba, yung takot na seeing that many people watching us.
Ako nag-prepare na ako ng mga ad-libs kasi feel ko hindi na ako makakatakas sa pagbabasa sa prompter. So may mga naka-store na ako dito.
We need to focus on our stamina din kasi we've been known sa pagiging performers sa stage. Kailangan namin i-feel yung every space ng stage. Kaya kailangan namin ng medyo disiplina sa pag-workout ngayon sa mga namin, mga hobbies namin, like running, Kaya yun, nag-run kami ngayon. Ikaw, nag-golf? Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo?
Ako secret. Baka malaman niyo. Personally kami, yung Sandali COJ Fest kasi ito yung parang dream festival namin, like in the POV of an audience. Splash Zone tickets, which for us is gonna be the most enjoyable experience. Tuwing lumilibot po kasi kami around the country, specifically sa mga fiesta sa mga provinces na malalayo. Parang sobrang na-establish namin with the fans yung energy na pag set namin, tumatalon-talon sila, tapos as in yung wild energy. And then, parang na-realize namin dun sa mga rain shows namin, dun sa mga festivals na umuulan, ganyan, nagbabasaan, ganyan. Parang sobrang taas ng energy nila. May nakita nga kami, nagsha-shampoo pa habang umuulan. Kaya sabi ko, uy, bango. Isa lang yun na factor. So parang feeling namin sobrang magiging masaya siya, tapos summer pa.
Besides the EP songs, definitely we're gonna bring some new arrangements to our previous songs. So it's gonna be different from our Stardust concert. So it's a must. Once lang to, guys.
Oh, so from the past concerts, iba yung arrangement
Yes.
nyo. Oh, okay.
Different arrangements, different feel,
Different vibe,
Vibe.
different feel.
Magbaon kayo ng extra damit, guys.
Yeah.
Practical reminders to. Ikaw, ano?
Or bili na lang kayo ng merch namin.
Yeah, may table naman sa labas.
May merch table naman sa labas.
Dala kayo ng raincoat kung gusto nyo.
Magre-release po kami ng reminders
Yes,
Ah,
for
yes,
sure,
yes.
for sure.
na nakaakma po sa guidelines ng venue. Pero,
Waterproof makeup.
waterproof
No,
na siguro.
tama.
Pero as of now, tinake into consideration din kasi namin yung panahon. So, sa May 23, sobrang summer niyan. So, we were able to adjust yung pinaka-start ng pag-open ng gates and all. Kaya ang pinaka-start ng concert is 9 p.m. Hindi totoo. Tapos yung soundcheck is 6:30. So, yung Splash Zone ticket holders natin, they can go sa queue as late as 5 p.m. Basta nakalubog na yung araw niyan. And hindi nyo na kailangan makipag-unahan pagtirik pa yung araw kasi meron na tayong bagong queuing system na magagawa online, which is based sa timestamp ng pagbili nyo ng tickets. Kaya, ayun, maayos na siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan mainitan masyado. See you there!
If mainit man, mababasa naman yun.
Yes. So, ayun, see you there and stay dry sana sabihin ko.
Hydrated.
Stay wet. Stay hydrated. We did a segment nung second major concert namin na si Lakbo. We're gonna bring back yung dalawang sub-unit namin na Pink Soda and Pink Pen Nightclub. They're gonna have a new performance. Tapos meron kaming guest artists. Plural.
Madami.
And pwede kami mag-spoil ng isa. Isa po dyan ang aming idols, ang Kamikaze.
Wow!
Feeling ko naman po, medyo familiar na kami sa outdoor setup. Dala ng paglibot namin sa mga iba't ibang festivals in the Philippines. Kaya, ayun, this time, ang iba lang po siguro is it's gonna be our own show, our own time. It's show Ang kaibahan lang po ngayon, instead of 45 minutes, it's gonna be siguro 3 hours. Kaya, mga Taylor Swift levels na yun.
Besides the EP songs, definitely we're gonna bring some new arrangements to our previous songs. So it's gonna be different from our Stardust concert. So it's a must. Once lang to, guys.
Kahit anong daming achievements pa yan, for me, parang pinaka pa rin yung samahan namin as a group. For me, ayun yung nagmamatter most.
Couple Joe forever. May tattoo na po ako ng COJ.
Hindi din po.
Yeah, ako din po, pinatato ko na po dito.
Okay. Ako rin po, magpapatato pa lang.
Naka-appoint na.